guys. On a 2 tell me I drink a water and I buckle, but me have to make it look like a 2 tell me I drink here. Stop, don't move. Me tell when they come. I'm going to show the people them first and then they come for you. Don't move. Come people. Make charm feel like our vacation. But you're not going with nothing. There's quite a few people over there. Come charm. Take your time and come. Come, take your time. Close your eyes and come. Close your eyes and let me tell you when you come. Come. Give me a hand. Stretch your hand in front of you. Come. Come, side me. Come, open your eyes now. Your son normally water that flood the whole of your so. Look, yeah. This is a river. I want big right to the river. Okay. So this is like a river bed. Yeah, because there's only the way out there so. But the bank take time broke off. Because I see people over there so. But yeah so. That's a super nice summertime. That's a little bit dangerous to go down. Like if we go down we can't come back from. I don't go down there no more. And I wrote no there to come up. But what is so nice. You see what I have current in there? What is so nice down. How much in what? Go down there. One if I have some. Somewhere up there. I don't want to go down there. You're afraid, but you're so nice. Afraid man keep sound bone. Don't people. Alright, go and keep here. I don't go down there. Anyway, the view people never what I was expecting because sometimes the water run right here in front of us. As you can see, the bank broke off the way rain. When rain fall and landslide come down, the take off, broke off. But normally when you see them people that walk out there so, the water would have come all the way to over here so. I may have watched a video with that already. All over there so, now water never used to the way over there so in the corner, and yes the water used to run. Maybe because of you say why do? Yeah, maybe because of the rain fall from the last time and no rain fall from the last time. Yeah. You see like all right there so? Fish supposed to lock up in the middle so yes. The sun bank up so the water divert to somewhere else. Or maybe not just the sun but big tree and something from the people landslide. Anyway guys, like expecting every year to get that view. The first little holiday I go on when I come to France. I like when my sister-in-law them go on their holiday. We would go and stay at their house until they come back and like the caretaker for their house until they come back. You know they have swimming pool and etc. So the kids could have benefit from that and during the summer extremely hot. So would have profit the swimming pool and the big garden space and all that because we live in an apartment and we only have a little thing on the balcony. So during 2 weeks, every year we would have looked forward to them 2 weeks when the sister-in-law them would have gone for holiday and would have go to them house to just have a blast and come back. I mean if I experience holiday in Jamaica more than when I live in Senegal, my grandparents in the yard during summer. No, we never used to go for holiday. You remember that time we used to go for holiday? When a little bit? From like town to country. Yeah. And then that you come like you never feel like a holiday. You live from town and go country, you know, van down, pick apple, pick mango, pick wood or something. Until the time comes, you come back here, you have 1 million and one cut for your knee and your foot. Yes guys, so for me, you know, sometimes people there Jamaica and because them have or know somebody in a foreign country, them will call for money and call for stuff like that and beg them this and beg them that. And
if them not send it, come give them or if them tell them so them not have it, them would have quarrel and them would have go on because I've seen it happen. But since I've been here, guys, you see, I've proved that sometimes people don't have it to give. Because, hey, I'm not afraid to tell you nothing. When me just come now, I could have either 7 or 11. You understand? And I get to realize that even if somebody call you and beg you money, because I'm money them a beg, them not beg clothes and them not beg food, and money them a beg. Even if somebody call you and beg your money and them say they not have the time or they not get the time to send it come here, but them are going to send it, or they might give you a time so you know so they can send 150 or how them have it come here Monday. And Monday come and you get up and you sit down and you wait for them to send it, and the day done and you not get it and you cut and go on. And then when you call them back, them tell us they not have the time. Trust me, I choose something. They not have the time. Them have the intention to send it come give you, but they don't have the time. They don't find the time. They can't find the time. Because I've experienced that moving around here in the foreign country is not the same as being in your own country. No, it's more difficult here. And with the connections of transportation, it's not easy. So guys, if so, you beg somebody something and them tell us that they can't send it and they not have the time to send it, trust me, it goes so. Me not say, me not say it with everybody, you know, but most of the time it's like that because it happened to me. So sometimes you have the intention to send it, but you don't get the time to send it. You understand? So yeah, it's like that.
The real people actually do it true because it depends on what you're doing during the day or whatever, and then with the time difference. By the time me wake up and start my day, I already a night at Jamaica, and people still sleeping in Jamaica while you go about your business. And then the people them make the phone call them to like the later hours and something like when we are asleep. So we're 6 hours, 7 hours ahead during summer and 6 hours during winter time. And me a family member, if me say look here, before you pick up your phone and call me, you try count 6 or 7 hours out ahead of you. The best time to call me I like morning time when I wake up. Because when you call me anytime after 12 Jamaica time, you don't get me. I mean sit down and wait for nobody to call me then later night because I have things to do. I have family to take care of, I have to take them to school. So I can't promise you something I got to pay on phone or chat to or entertain, you know, while I sit on my bed and sleep because I don't depend 2 different time zones.
Which is true. Another thing, when I came here, guys, the language, oh my, that was something for me. The language, coming in a country that you're not used to the language, it is hard. Just imagine, me come here and me hear this French round me. You go like in the bus, a French. You go in the train, a French. Everywhere around you, a French. You not hear your language attack, you know. It was annoying to me in the beginning, but afterwards, me just have to accept it that it is like this. You are not in your country, so you have to try and adapt. Because them say when you go to Rome, you do like the Romans do. So you now have to try and adapt and learn that this is the way it have to be. So you have to try to fit yourself in. And after a while, it's like nothing to me, even though unlike me can talk the language, but me get to learn to understand a little of it. Me can help myself around if me have to, you know. And it is so easy because when you go out there and you try to talk to someone in English, even if they speak English, they are not entertaining you. No, they are not entertaining, but
English not they're not have enough English vocabulary to work on.
And if they
some of them.
If they see that you try to speak in French, even if you can't do it well, they work with you. Yes? But when you're not trying on at all, them just step well if you. My experience, me as a owner.
You know when the song I say, you're walking a trophy? Walk out and then spin, come back to me. Allez, turn. Turn like you're mad now. Turn like you're mad now.
So guys, our day is finally over. We're gonna go home now because we are so beat out and tired.
Yeah.
Food done. The only thing we have left are water.
And the water start get hot in winter and cold water start get hot, it stays insipid. So we have to go home.
We have
all
to go
good
home
things
now.
All good
and
things
we
must come to an
for
end.
watch with video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MOY&MATT French Jamaican family.
Yeah, but we're not trying before you reach this up. Yeah, but you're the Jamaican said I would say two French girl and a minibus. 2 Jamaican girl and a
minibus. So guys, on a 2 tell me I drink a water and I buckle, but we have to make it look like a 2 tell me I drink here at the Jamaican style. Yeah, but hey, you used to work in a bar. When you work in a bar, all of you know how bar work. But when you work
when
in a
somebody
bar,
come and buy you a drink,
somebody come and buy you a drink, you just pull the Heineken bottle of water and put it in the fridge with the cover. You see, when them pay for the Heineken, you just take out the bottle there and sip it till them gone. You just take out the money for the Heineken and put it in your pocket. That's so bar work. But yeah, anyway, we thank you for watch and we're tired. So my channel's link will be in my description box, so you can connect with her if you have not yet connected to her. Okay guys, thank you. I'm tired.
Ciao, peace out.